شاء الله جزاك الله خيرا إذكان
Aisha, laipa hitang arahus kending atapa hunna kekka ulalandi pena maha ada macawane.
අනෙක් අමාගිනන් කේලි නොකච්චේ දැෆ්ෆනි කානෙ මිහා හිසාබුන් දෙන්ඔයි අයිටමකි UKG HK අයිටම් කේන්ඩි පාටි බල්ලවා
I am Jack. I am dropping some beans so I will know my path and I can easily go home. I've been dropping my colorful beans, colorful beans, colorful beans. I've been dropping my colorful beans to show me the way back home. This is the way I color my beans, color my beans, color my beans. This is the way I color my beans with a wonderful coloring box. I got my beans from a little shop, a little shop, a little shop. I got my beans from a little shop that sells all kinds of things.
One sunny morning, Red Riding Hood was on her way to her grandma's house.
Oh, what beautiful flowers! I should pick some for Granny. She loves red roses. Wow, what is this? It's a bean. I have never seen a bean like this before. It is shiny and sparkling. So beautiful, MashaAllah. I will take this home. A bean again? I love this so much. I shall collect them all.
Red Riding Hood was too excited that she forgotten her grandma. She kept on picking one bean after the other.
Oh no, what am I doing? Where am I going? I am utterly lost. What's that smell? It smells like candies. Oh, and cookies and muffins. It must be coming from Grandma's house. Perhaps she's baking cookies for me. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Who are you?
I am Alice. And who are you?
I am Red Riding Hood. I'm going to Grandma's house.
I am going to visit my friends, Hansel and Gretel. They are having a party. They live in a house made of candies.
Wow, is it true? So this smell must be coming from their house.
Yes, it is. Would you like to go with me? Hansel and Gretel would love to meet you.
Yes, I would love to go. But I'm lost. I don't know how to go to my grandma's house.
Maybe Hansel and Gretel can help. They have a map.
The queen and her children are on their way to Hansel and Gretel's party.
I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat at the party.
Look at those butterflies.
MashaAllah, they are so beautiful. Let's catch them.
A lovely butterfly, a lovely butterfly. Hey ho, the dairy, oh, a lovely butterfly. The butterfly takes flight, the butterfly takes flight. Hey ho, the dairy, oh, the butterfly takes flight. We'll follow it along, we'll follow it along. Hey ho, the dairy, oh, we'll follow it along.
Let's hurry. We are late for the party. MashaAllah, it's so beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam.
I am so happy you came to our tea party, Alice.
Who is this?
She is my friend Red Riding Hood. She was on her way to her grandma's house, but she lost her way.
It is okay. We will help you, inshallah. But before that, come have some tea.
This is Jack. He is my friend. He has come from a village quite far away. Yes, he's right. I left some beans on the ground on my way here for tea, so I will know my way back home.
Oh no, are you talking about these beans?
Yes, where did you find them?
I found these on the ground. They were so beautiful, so I collected them all. I'm so sorry.
Well, it's okay for you to pick those. But how do I go back home?
Calm down, everyone. We will help you all, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikumussalam. Everyone, this is Goldilocks and Roti. They are my best friends. Nice to meet you, Goldilocks and Roti. This chair is too hard and it is too big for me. This is too soft. This is so comfortable. This is soft but not too soft, and it is so cute and so lovely and so...
I am a little girl, little girl, little girl. I am a little girl with also golden hair. And everywhere that I go, that I go, that I go, and everywhere that I go, I like to make some friends. I like to sit on comfy chairs, comfy chairs, comfy chairs. I like to sit on comfy chairs and eat my favorite porridge.
Goldilocks, I think that chair is too small for you. Come sit next to me here. Goldilocks, here's your porridge, your favorite food. Look who is coming. It is our dear friend Charlie.
Charlie from the chocolate factory.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikumussalam.
We are so happy you came to the party.
I brought you all some chocolate.
I have never seen such gigantic chocolate ever before.
I made these chocolates so that everyone in the party can eat it. These are my friends. They work with me in the factory. I look after the machines. There is a machine that crushes cocoa beans.
We mix nuts, strawberries, milk, sugar and many others to make the chocolate taste good.
I am a sweet tooth. I taste all the chocolates.
I make sure the chocolates are packed well. They are packed in colorful wrappings like this.
Chocolates, chocolates, yummy chocolates. I work the machines, I mix the chocolates, and I taste the yummies, and I pick them. They are huge and flavorful. Let's share them with everyone.
What's that noise?
I think it was the giant. He just passed by here.
Look at your house.
Everything is ruined.
We invited the queen to this party. She must be on her way right now. But look at this place. We must clean this mess before she comes.
Let's not waste another minute. Let's start our war.
Bits of candy, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up.
Do you hear that sound? That must be the queen. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikumussalam.
We are glad you came to the party, Your Highness.
We are so glad that you invited us. This is Debs, Emma, and Sophia. Wow, it's amazing. I have never seen a house like this before. It's all made of candy. Look at those cute chairs.
Children, yes, my queen.
Liking candy?
Yes, my queen.
Eating too much?
No, my queen.
Brush regularly?
Yes.
Your Highness, these are sugar-free chocolate from my factory. Yes, this is better for your teeth. Oh my, look at the time. It's so late already. Oh no, we forgot about Red Riding Hood and Jack too. They are lost, aren't they? We can help them. Our driver could give them a ride home. That would be great. You can take me to Grandma's house. I really want to give her these roses I picked today.
But I came from a very far away village. I don't think we can reach there tonight.
Don't worry, Jack. You can stay at our castle tonight and go home tomorrow.
Really? I can stay over?
Of course, Jack. There is plenty of space in a castle. Does anybody know what time is it?
Yes, it's time to be happy. The time to be happy is now. And the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. The time to be happy is now. And the place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here. We'll have a little heaven right here.
What time did you say it was?
The time to be happy.